Alright, so here is our first lesson of the 6th grade course, and this is simplifying fractions. I want to tell you that just some more information on the course. For this entire playlist, we're going to be dealing things with like exponents and maybe functions, and it's not all stuff that in this normal 6th grade curriculum you're going to get to, but I think that it's possible for someone at a 6th grade level to understand it. So I will try my best to explain every single concept that is not so-called supposed to be learned in this age area. And a lot of these things I will have videos or playlists in the links of the descriptions of these past topics, the later topics, in case that this is an advanced course and there was some 4th grade or 5th grade similar topics that we covered the basics in. So yes, so don't be worried about anything. Okay, so let's look at our first problem. We have of simplifying fractions. So over here we have 4 mixed numbers. 5, the sum of 5 and 2 and 7ths, and 4 and 1/9, divided by the sum of 1 and 1/9 plus 1 and 3/7. So first, when we're dealing with multi-operational fractional calculations like this, we first want to turn the mixed numbers into improper fractions. At least in a lot of cases, you want to do that in case it's some sort of special case and it's easier to see the problem if you have mixed numbers. So this is equal to 5 and 2/7 is equal to 37 over 7 plus 37 over 9 divided by 10 over 9 plus 10 over 7. Now, let's observe what we have here. If you look at the denominators, which is the bottom number of each of these fractions, you'll see that in each of these parentheses there is a fraction with a denominator of a set of 7 and a fraction with a denominator of 9. So it seems like that could be our solution into simplifying this, because I don't think that, because this is indeed simplifying fractions and it doesn't make sense to directly add these two numbers and divide. So a lot of times when we're working with fractions especially, we want to turn this division sign into fraction form. So on the top we have the sum of 37 sevenths plus 37 ninths divided by the sum of 10 ninths plus 10 sevenths. Okay, so now you can see that we can use the reverse distributive property on both the denominator and numerator, so we can factor out the numerators. The top we have 37 multiply the sum of 1/7 plus 1/9 over, and on the bottom we can factor out 10. In the parentheses we have 1/9 plus 1/7. Now it's in this form, it's easy to see that we can cancel out these two parentheses, right? 1/7 plus 1/9, 1/9 plus 1/7, same thing. So we're left with 37 over 10, or 3.7. So our final answer to this problem is 3.7.